Imagine spending your whole life building $1 million retirement, only to watch it evaporate in a single year. That's exactly what happened to Mike Jensen, a retired engineer from Scottsdale, Arizona. After a decade of careful saving, Mike had $1.2 million sitting in a traditional IRA. By 2022, that number dropped by nearly 30%. Stocks, bonds, even so-called diversified portfolios, all bleeding red. But here's the twist. Today, Mike's account is not only back to seven figures, it's fully hedged against the next financial blowup. And it all started with a strategy most high-income retirees never even consider. Right now, headlines are sounding the alarm again. Inflation is ticking up, the Fed just signaled more rate hikes, and Moody's warned that U.S. creditworthiness is at risk due to ballooning debt. Meanwhile, President Trump recently stated that unless we take drastic action, the economy is a ticking time bomb. If you're already retired or close, you know this isn't just market noise. This is your legacy, your nest egg, your family's future. And that's why today, I want to walk you through the safest, smartest gold IRA strategies for high-income retirees. Because if you're sitting on $500K, $750K, maybe even $2 million or more in a traditional IRA or 401K, you're exposed, and you may not even know it yet. Now, before I break down the strategy Mike used, I want to be very clear. We're not talking about gimmicks. No free silver coin offers. No high-pressure salespeople. Just education. Just protection. So, what did Mike do differently? Instead of staying locked into stocks and mutual funds that rise and fall with Wall Street mood swings, Mike rolled over $380,000 into a self-directed gold IRA. He didn't liquidate everything. He just diversified smart. Here's how he did it, and how you can too. First, Mike took advantage of a gold IRA rollover. This allowed him to move a portion of his retirement into physical gold and silver, without triggering taxes or penalties. That's key. Second, he worked with a specialist who helped him structure his portfolio based on his specific income, estate planning goals, and risk tolerance. This wasn't some cookie-cutter plan. Third, and this is where most retirees miss the boat, Mike didn't wait for the next crash to make his move. He protected before the damage. Today, he sleeps easier. His assets are shielded, and his two grandkids will inherit something real, tangible, not just paper promises. And here's the kicker. Mike's story started with something you can do right now. He requested a free gold IRA guide and booked a simple 15-minute educational call. No commitment, no sales pitch, just straight answers. Look, if you've saved $100K or more in a retirement account, you owe it to yourself and your family to explore this. You've worked too hard to leave it all vulnerable to inflation, political chaos, and market meltdowns. Gold has protected wealth for centuries. It doesn't vanish overnight, and it doesn't care who's in office. So here's what I want you to do. Click the link below. You'll get a free gold IRA guide plus access to a no-obligation call with a gold IRA specialist. Someone who will actually listen to your needs and walk you through the options, not pressure you with a sales script. This isn't about fear. It's about freedom, financial peace, and building something that lasts. Because your retirement isn't just a number on a statement. It's your reward, your legacy, your life's work. Make it count. Click the link now and take the first step to protect what you've built. Your family will thank you.